Gonna be a very quick Bitcoin update video. This is on the 15-minute time frame. I do still want to see Bitcoin come down here to this level. We have a bunch of empty space right here, no ups and downs really. So I would love to see it come down here. However, we just recently got some very bullish news. The Texas Bitcoin Reserve bill passes the Senate vote 25-5. This was done a few hours ago. And then this was just posted about 40 minutes ago. President Trump considers signing the executive order. And when it says considers, I'm pretty sure he's going to do it. I'm like 99% positive, to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve tomorrow. Now, with that news, of course, we are starting to see some action. Now, these are our key levels. Our key level is right here, right around 91.3. And this next key level is right around 88.057. I'm thinking because of this news, this will be the catalyst to potentially push us up. And now because of the news, this was done prior to the news, we might see a retrace maybe to here, 89.8, before continuing up. This would be the next level it needs to break, right around 92, we can just call it 92.7, 92.8. 92.877 is the actual high. And let's see what happens. But right now, it's bullish, in my opinion. It could always reverse, and if it does reverse, this is the level we're looking at. I do thank you guys very much. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.